Hello students and welcome back to our Idiom of the Week videos. In this 29th video in our English expressions video series, we're going to talk about the idiom take a chill pill. When I'm not literally, or this is a metaphor, this is a matter of an expression here. You don't need to take the pill exactly like a physical pill. No medicine, no pills at all, but this is just a euphemism or a metaphor for relax, take it easy. And we'll get into that much more in our Idiom of the Week video on take a chill pill. Kind of a funny yet somewhat serious expression, but one that is very popular, especially when it comes to relaxation. So we have a picture here, chill and then pill. So it kind of looks like a Tylenol. It's not an actual pill. There is no chill pill, literally, but we're going to discuss what the expression means. So my name is Ben with English from A to Z, and let's get started. So, what does take a chill pill mean? So, the idiom itself is take a chill pill. And like I said a little bit earlier in the introduction, this English idiom is a humorous, slightly sarcastic way of telling someone to calm down, to relax, to stop overreacting, or don't react too intensely. And it's often used when someone is being overly emotional, intense, or dramatic, when they should be calming down or taking it easy, relaxing, not getting angry or upset. And the tone advice for usage here, because you have to make sure you're using take a chill pill with the right delivery. So it can be playful, it can be funny, but depending on how you deliver the words, how you deliver the idiom in your English, it might annoy the other person, especially if they are not a friend or family member. So choose your moments wisely to use it. You wouldn't say take a chill pill, for example. You wouldn't say that to your boss or a coworker or a stranger on the street, right? That would be a little bit weird, maybe even a little bit too confrontational. So in English, you would probably just say it with a friend or family member or someone that you're being playful with, like, hey, relax, it's not a big deal, or hey, take a chill pill, it's okay. We're going to talk about other examples so you at home are aware of how you use these idioms, like many of our other idioms in English, well and in the correct form. But again, it's a humorous, slightly sarcastic way of telling someone to calm down, relax, stop overreacting. It's not the end of the world, which is another expression. And again, it's often used when someone is being overly emotional, intense, or dramatic. Let's dive into two sentence examples here. And I didn't mean folks to put number 2 here. So that we'll get to that one in a bit, but there are 2 sentence examples of take a chill pill. Number 1, situation. Real life banter or exchange or discussion. So your coworker says, I can't believe they moved the deadline up again. This is ridiculous. We're all going to be working until midnight. You say, whoa. In this case, it would be you or me saying this, whoa, take a deep breath. Maybe take a chill pill before you rage. Before you rage, send that email to human resource. I apologize, folks. Rage send with the dash there. It should be one word. Rage send that email to human resources. For those of you at home who don't know, human resources is where you discuss issues at work, management issues, personnel issues, things of that sort, work-life balance, that type of thing. But before you do that, take a chill pill before you send an angry email to human resources, which could backfire on you. So, whoa, take a deep breath, maybe take a chill pill, and again, you're not actually taking a pill here, but relax before you send a rage-filled email to human resources. So your coworker in this case, you probably know each other pretty well to have this kind of discussion again. If your coworker is a little upset, he's like, we're going to be working until midnight. This is unfair. You say, well, take it easy, take a chill pill, take a deep breath, breathe in and out before you send something to HR you're going to regret. So the use case here, like I've been saying, it's used to cool someone down in a high stress moment. Work can be stressful, it can be anxious, it can be difficult. You got to take a deep breath, you got to relax, you got to compose yourself before you send or say something harmful. And you don't want to get human resources involved. You should bring it up if you're working long hours without pay or beyond your contract or your work agreement, but you don't want to send something that's rage-filled or angry or confrontational right away. Now, number 2, situation, family or friend scenario here. Your cousin says to you, "Why didn't you like my Instagram post? Are you mad at me or something?" You say to him back, "Dude," or for a woman, you could say "ma'am" or well, dude is for men and women, I should say. But anyway, in this case, your cousin's probably a guy. Anyway, you would say, "Dude, it's just Instagram. Take a chill pill. I didn't even see it yet." So your friend, in this case, your cousin is like, "Hey, I really like posting it. Why didn't you like it, or why didn't you comment?" You're saying, "Hey, it's just Instagram. It's just social media. Take a chill pill. I didn't even see it yet." So he's kind of jumping to conclusions, and we've talked about jumping to conclusions before in English. But he's like, "Are you mad at me, or are you upset with me?" And sometimes people take social media a little bit too seriously, right? But you say, "No, man, dude, whoever, it's just Instagram. Take a chill pill. I didn't even see it yet." So in this case, the use case for taking a chill pill or telling someone to do that, in case your cousin or family member, it's used to add a humorous buffer or some levity, or making the situation not as serious as it should be, as he thinks it is or she thinks it is. So it's or adding a humorous buffer to an emotionally charged conversation. And this is key because you want to walk somebody back in terms of their anger or being upset or being anxious. Like, it's just Instagram. I'll read Instagram later. In this case, you didn't see it. So take a chill pill. I didn't even see it. Not a big deal. So those are two good use cases, okay? Taking a deep breath, relaxing before sending some email or getting upset at work. And then another part is kind of being humorous about it. Like, "Hey, relax. I didn't see your Instagram post. Not a big deal." So being humorous, trying to cool someone down before a high stress moment or a confrontational moment, that's where you use take a chill pill for these sentence examples here. And some more idioms to take a chill pill. We got number 1, calm down, direct and neutral, but can come off as cold or withdrawn. So calm down is literally calm down, like relax. Don't get upset, don't get angry. Like, "Okay, calm down. We'll figure it out." You're being direct, you're being neutral, but you're being straight to the point. "Okay, calm down. We'll figure it out." Number 2 is a similar one to take a chill pill. Cool your jets. Retro and fun, 1980s, 70s flair, retro English in this case. Like, if you've never seen Top Gun Maverick, this is something that they would say to Maverick. "Cool your jets, Maverick. We have time to prepare." So for anyone who's seen Top Gun, hopefully you get that reference, or you've seen a sequel and you know who Maverick is. So cool your jets, similar to take a chill pill. It's kind of gotten out of style, this idiom in English, but cool your jets is like, "Hey, relax. Don't fire off yet in terms of your passion or anger or your emotions. Cool your jets, cool your emotions." Number 3, don't freak out. Reassuring but firm. "Hey, don't freak out. But I may have adopted a third cat." And I don't have any cats, but someone like your roommate or your wife or your husband or girlfriend, boyfriend, they would maybe, or your parents would freak out if they told you, if you told them without letting them know, "Don't freak out, but I may have adopted the third cat." So don't freak out is a good disclaimer. Like, "Hey, don't freak out, but I may have adopted a third cat, a dog, a parrot, etc." So reassuring but firm. Don't freak out. Another similar idiom is relax, man, or relax. And you could say relax. You don't say relax, woman, or you could say relax. You really say relax, guy, or relax lady. You don't want to say relax, lady, or man, but say just relax, or hey, relax, instead of relax, man. But relax, man is casual for both men and women. Or hey, relax, or relax, so and so, their name. Casual, slightly laid back vibes. Usually to a friend or someone you know pretty well. Relax, man. We're not going to get graded, or we're not getting graded on this exam. And instead of saying man or woman or what have you, you would just say relax their name. So relax John, or relax Jesse, or relax Jessica, or Jordan. I'm using a lot of J's names there, but you get what I mean. So relax so-and-so. We're not getting graded on this exam. Casual, slightly laid back way of expressing this similar idiom. Keep your cool. When somebody says keep your cool, if it's a sporting event or before a big test or an interview, in this case an interview, you would say try to keep your cool. Try to keep your cool during the interview today. Be level-headed, be mature, be ready to go. Okay, keep your cool. Don't get frustrated, don't get angry, don't get upset, don't get stressed. Just keep your cool, be calm, relax, don't freak out. So these all kind of go together. Calm down, cool your jets. Not used as much number two, but could be fun to use and improve your English that way, is using a rather unknown idiom there, but very similar to take a chill pill. Don't freak out, relax, so and so, relax man, hey, relax guy. Keep your cool, be level headed and mature. So these are all similar, right? Calming down, not freaking out, relaxing, keeping cool. These are all very similar to take a chill pill. So there's many idioms like this in the sense of relaxing, not stressing, being okay, being neutral, being mature. But take a chill pill, you're going to hear it a lot these days. Maybe not as much as you would 5, 10, 20 years ago, but you're likely to hear it. So let me know in the comments if you do know take a chill pill already, or if you've learned it before, or you learned it today with me. But let me know if you use it and if it comes in handy, please. I do enjoy that here on our YouTube channel. So thanks so much for watching. Check out our other great YouTube videos on our English from A to Z channel, from analyzing the English alphabet, analyzing the English language, analyzing English, to fixing different errors in our Spot That English Error series. And also, we have videos from A to Z about the English alphabet, the sounds, the word examples. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this Idiom of the Week video, and please hit the subscribe button to follow us here on our YouTube channel. We have new videos every week. If you have any questions or would like to follow our official newsletter for English from A to Z updates, go to our website, www.englishfrom-a-to-z.com/newsletter. Thank you all so much again, and see you all again soon for another Idiom of the Week video. Take care now. Bye-bye.